So friends, today is Sunday. We are here back again on the channel Share and Learn by Vikas. And the topic of discussion today is the confidence boosters. So if you like the contents of the discussions today, please share it with your family, friends, near and dear ones, as well as your colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. So to boost our confidence, we have to prepare well. And the magic of preparation will lead us to boosting our confidence. Just take an example that we have completed a one milestone of our project, and now we have to present that project's success to the stakeholders. So, three points which I have brought onto the table is that let us remember the key points. We have prepared our presentation and we have to memorize those key points here so that there is a linkage or we are able to connect the dots of our presentation. Second point is to cultivate your story. Let's understand 3 points for our story. One is the situation. What was the situation? The second is what were the learnings? And the third thing is that what results we have achieved. So if we are able to cultivate our story in these 3 points, the understanding at the stakeholder level consumes lesser time, as well as the understanding at the stakeholders level is much more better. Explain your content to somebody. Before going for the presentations, although we have seen to it that our project has also ran well, we have gained a success out of that project. We have been able to see that this success as a linking to our next milestone, which we are going to go ahead with that. But to just to explain to the stakeholders before reaching to them, if we can have a preparation. So two ways. One is the technical way. Uh, we all have smartphones, so we can record it, video record it, listen to it, and we can see to it that how we are presenting that presentation to the stakeholders, or we are preparing it actually. The second point is let's take one person and try to explain and re-explain the points of the presentations, the way we are going to present it to the stakeholders. If that person is a neutral person, probably she may ask a question to us, which can be an added point there, which we may have not thought of before presenting because we were quite engrossed to prepare the presentation. What was the situation? What was the learnings? And what was the outcome? That can help us. So these three specific points, if we carry, if we are doing our project and even when we are presenting that project to the stakeholders, the magic appears, and that magic is totally of that preparation which we all do when we are leading to a project or when we are presenting it to stakeholders. The net benefit is that we are not leaving anything by chance. We have prepared well, and when we will enter for the presentation, 90% chances are, 95% chances are that we are going to present the real integrities, the real learnings, and the real success which we have achieved out of that project. So that will finally what happens is that preparation will help boost our confidence. And once we give a good presentation to the stakeholders or lead the project in a better way, our confidence will also be going to get boosted. So it's a double whammy. We can prepare well and we can increase our confidence. And after our presentation and doing good into that project, we will further improve our confidence for the next milestone or maybe for the next project. So while going through this line that body language communicates about how self-assured we feel to others, I thought let's pick up this point and in our next discussion, let's see the synergies of confidence and body language. Thanks for watching this channel Share and Learn today. See you on next Sunday.